Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make fat bombs. Fat bombs are delicious. They're only 4 ingredients and it includes peanut butter and chocolate. It's delicious. These are the 4 ingredients: peanut butter, cacao butter, vanilla extract, and cacao powder. That's it. I like to use organic peanut butter, of course, and everything else is organic. But here's the recipe. 1 cup of peanut butter, a half a cup of cacao butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a half a cup of cacao powder. Let me show you how easy this is and you will thank me. Don't judge me on my spatula skills. Half a cup of cacao butter. That's about half a cup. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then we heat this up to melt it. Once the cacao butter is completely melted, we can add the cacao powder. We need half a cup of cacao powder. Gently mix that in. Once you have it smooth, you can transfer it into a container. We like to use these small silicone cupcake tins. It's easy to get them out. These are the mini ones because you really don't need a very big fat bomb for it to be good. So pouring it into here is always a challenge. Let's see how I do. All right, let's see if I can do this. Probably not. This is starting to cool. Again, don't judge my spatula skills. Okay, back down here again. We have 24 fat bombs. I'll throw them in the fridge for a couple hours. They should be nice and cool and ready to pop out of here and just enjoy. I'm just going to pop these in there, wait for them to harden, and then enjoy. I usually eat 1 or 2 per day. So does my wife. We love them. I'm not going to lie. My wife usually makes these all the time. I just did it this time so I could show you. These fat bombs have been in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. Looks like my wife already stole one. But you can pop these out really quickly because of this silicone tray. They're delicious. I love them. Now you do have to keep these refrigerated because they start to melt in your hand. If you try these out, let me know how you like them. List your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.